In this lecture, we are going to talk about the factory pattern. The factory pattern wraps a constructor for different types of objects and returns instance of the object, and we create without exposing the creation object and refer to newly created object. In this example, we will pass the information to the member factory to get the types of object that we need. So first, we are going to create a function called member factory, and then we type this dot create member is equal to function name type, and then we let member and we create a condition here. If the type is equal to the basic, then we will create a member which is equal to new basic member. It's just like when you are subscribing the Netflix, there are 3 types of members. So we have basic, standard, and premium. And then else if type is triple equal to the standard, then the member will become the standard member. And at last, else if the type is triple equal to premium, then the member is equal to new premium member, and then we set the member dot type is equal to type, and then member dot profile is equal to function, and then console dot log this dot name is this dot type member, and which calls this dot. Now we are going to create these 3 type of members. So constant basic member is equal to function name, and then this dot name is equal to name, and this dot cost is equal to 8.99, and then we duplicate this 2 times, and we change this to standard member, and we change this to premium member, and the cost is 12.99 for standard members and 15.99 for the premium members. So now we create a list of members, and the factory is equal to the new member factory. It should be factory, and then constant element is equal to factory dot create member element and standard. Now we can console dot log the element. Then we are going to use members dot push element, and then we console dot log the members. This is undefined because we haven't returned the member. So now you see the standard member. We can try to console.log the element, and you can see his informations. Now we can create a few members, for example Peter, and then John, and then premium, and this is John. There is some spelling mistake here. So now we can push Alan, Peter, and John. Now you can see the info of these members, and we can also use the profile functions, and then we can use member.profile, and now you can see each of the members and their cost.